Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Whoever is coming, whatever everybody is doing, you analyze it carefully. It is advantage BJP. It is advantage BJP in entire Goa in most of the constituencies. And rather they are assuring the BJP of the majority of its own by whatever they are doing.
पक्ष वाडटा तितले खंय विरोधकांकूच मारक. बीजेपी आनी तांच्या मदलो गॅप वाडटलो.
It will harm people who are our political opponents. I don't want to name only one particular party. One thing is very sure, that BJP is on the right track, and by whatever more parties that have come, more the merrier. It is said it is more the merrier, but I think it is merrier for BJP. It is advantage BJP.
जो तो आपापले पुनर्वसन करूंक सोदता म्हूण लुइजिनाचेर मावीन उलयलो. ह्या फुडाऱ्यांनी गोंया खातीर कितें केलां काय म्हणून प्रस्न.
When a person feels lost, he wants some rehabilitation. And some people are very shrewd to rehabilitate themselves very comfortably using all means. Ditching some people whom they were very close, and they show it, they have done a sacrifice for whole of Goa. Where is the sacrifice? You are maybe going to Rajya Sabha. There are talks of something changing, a lot of things changing hand. So where is the sacrifice? And when these people have sacrificed, if they were so good, you tell me only one thing: why people dethroned them when a majority of government was formed within few months? And that also it happened twice. Shows the lack of credibility of leadership of those people. And these people are going to shake BJP.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार.